Onchumulingo kwa ligania ase EMANYIE CHIGOSORI Abigael konyora mangi kura sensemende yu studio nere Evelyn Osero amo na Josephat Amisi. Timu ya Chelsea nigo ekumnyakania ni timu ya Newcastle mugorobolero magiga yo wanchirana edro ase egosoli yaeta yo torachikoranga Chelsea ne chikonyora libagalia bene lyo kwinyiria korwa seri baga lya 10 li ligi ya English Premier League ni chingaki timu ya Liverpool amona Man City baikora nete chingaki timu ya Manchester City anyali nete timu ya Liverpool libaga lyo goswa sobora ibwe ligi mayo yogonye beterelia gwanchirana edro yegoli emo asemo chingaki Arsenal egendrete kora ligi maga yoko ikora timu ya Brentford chigoli bere ase emo EMANYIE CHIGOSORI mwanchumoligali ntaiteto ya chake korwaiga ase orogongo rwa Gusii ase CHIGOSORI au chigendrete ase nsemo yechiskuru chechi secondary elieterane Victor Sultan Obangi timu ya Nyancho Boys nigo ya yikolete timu ya Kisii School ase CHIGOSORI che basketball na koira obunyangongo obwe CHIGOSORI cho ase bono barachie ko wakilisha orogongo gose county ya Kisii ose region ya Kisii ase CHIGOSORI cho ase CHIGOSORI cho chiracho kolekana ase regionals ase entunda ekobwate Nyancho Boys igo yabagete Kisii School chiseti emeronge 5 ase chiseti emeronge 4 na isano na yemo.
From our side, we have Madam Nyanchama from Gusii. We have Abigael, a committee member. We have Mr. Secretary of the Host, a member. We want to appreciate Madam Evans Commercial. Mr. Chibu Kisii South, a member of the county sports. We want to appreciate Madam Kevin from Masaka South. We want to appreciate Madam Aika, one of the committee members from Kenya. And all the secretaries, they are part of that committee. We have our main sponsors, Term 1 2024. Gusii, to say our Madam Wanyaza Sports Clubs, man is happy. Tuambie wao ni mali safi. Na ukweli ni mali safi. Asante, Wanyaza Sports. Akongoi.
Sensemo yabanyeruka ase egosori yo ya basketball timu ya Sengera nigo ya irete obobui ase nchira ya beneki maso ko bwa chiseti 50 ibere na ibere ase chiseti 35 na isato kwa na mega egosori yo mokocha gwe timu ya Sengera onyekana timu na Kennedy West Kesa nigo aterubna anya bakolete bya ase egosori yo ko ganyankoro ase timu anene chabanyaruka asoro gongorwa Gusii kwa ene kinga nkonyora chire chibiti byegosori yo ya basketball yo ebitibyo vibe na bya inekiri okomusamaiga wokogendera kwegosori yo.
Yeah, we played some of those teams at the World Cup in Kisumu, and I think we are ready. Just some few touches, we want to finalize, then we shall be ready for that tournament. And I think the same round we are better placed than last year, so we shall compete. Our minimum target is semis. Number 1, all our girls' schools, none of the schools has a court, a serious court. Like even in our school, we have not been able to train for the last week because at games time it's always rainy, so the field cannot be played. So if the principals can be able to ensure that the fields are better, then that will be better. I think the problem is the fields, the courts. None of the schools in Kisii County has a court that is playable when it has rained.
timu ya abaki gose benkoyo ya rugby asabagosoria 15 kerensemo ya Kisii School na bw'abanyankongo begosori iyo ase CHIGOSORI school je secondary chimwakoyo ga Kisii School nigo bayirete ubanyankongo bo ase nchira ya benekima magayo ko yebetelia Cardinal Otunga Mosocho Boys wanchirana ubuwi wechi seti merongo ene na isano na yemo ase chiseti isato.
From now, it's very hard. To be honest, it's hard. But we have the main is that circumstances. We have to change the situation. Of course, we know it's not hard. Check you away.
Fidel Origani gagaye konyete timu ya Bandari koira obubwiwe golemo asebosa asegosori ye ligi ya KPL ya negative a kendie ya Bandari nigobono ya kendire chimbero wechi asobora iwe ligi maiga yo ikaseri baga ya gatatu point merongo ene na isato Gor Mahia nigo ere asobora iwe ligi yo nanyana bo maiga ya gosori yo Jonathan McKingstry oyore omukocha we timu ya Gor Mahia nigo agokerete gosori ya orageti ne timu ya Bandari chingaki omukocha we timu ya Bandari John Baraza ayana kiringa timu yone chikwa gendralia kwa ena kinga ngosukia ere angekima no burai we ligi.
Game kusema kweli game kwa tight. Kumbuka tumecheza na champions na defending champions na so far on league. Kwa hivyo tumecheza timu bora kwenye nchi na mimi nafili ku collect something ni plus kubwa kwetu kwa vile inamaanisha tumewapunguza pointi which means tunaweza catch up. Kwa hivyo league still ni open na sisi kwetu kuendelea ku fight tu.
I think, to be honest, you know, Bandari have scored with their one sort of chance. You know, every other chance they sort of got through was flagged offside. You know, we got our offside line well and correct, and look, we've not cleared our lines from a throw, and we've not closed down a shot, and that's really frustrating for us because I think a lot of our performance was sort of where we wanted it to be today. You know, we moved the ball well, we got around Bandari's press well. In the first half, I felt we weren't quick enough at playing the ball into the feet of the attacking players. I think that happened.
Chumoliria asingencho yebiro oyo noromoelio bw'Emanyie CHIGOSORI na singencho yo anchira litukulia lero nyekore Emanyie Jumatatu niko twabwateranere Evelyn Osero na Josephat Amisi kurwa sense moilia intangani studio Abigael Nyanchama nere oyene kinga chibichana malio yago ikeire Lydia Mose abolitangana kinga kwa yanyorire asinchira yemanyelio tomera ne chinsesato ase Emanyie Jumatatu asinchira yo ikaranu elitariane Victor Sultano wangi.